I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
Your money is simply a tool and a resource to help you do what's important to you in life. And Bitcoin is superior money. Fiat broken money system is an ever-changing measuring stick. And yeah, those people who happen to be close to the money printer, it's a measuring stick that changes for the good. It can expand with you as you grow versus people who are further away. I was at the grocery store earlier this week, and a lady in front of me, she was just looking at my kid. She's an older lady, definitely the type of lady she looks like she has about 40 cats. She got there to pay. She had a few items, and it was like just a couple things, and she actually did have cat food. But yeah, she paid for her stuff. It was like $25 for a few things, and she had this look of just like shock and worry. It was heartbreaking. It's like, this lady's living on a fixed income, and the cost of her few items and her cat food is, I would venture to say, because in my family, it's about 40% higher than it was a year ago. And for her, this tool, this measuring stick, has changed for the worse, and it's broken. It's manipulated. So money should be a tool that allows you to do what's important to you in life.